I'd like to talk today about the ROTHENBERGER nipple chucks. Please watch the ROTHENBERGER 2SE50R threading demonstration on YouTube prior to this. We have the ROTHENBERGER nipple chuck right here. What's nice about these, they lock onto the pipe from the inside, not the outside like some of the other companies. All we simply do is lock down on the hammer chuck to lock it in place. Take that piece of pipe that we cut from the earlier video and install it onto the nipple chuck. Drop down the die head, remembering to cock it for the automatic. Turn on the machine using that safety switch and start the threading process. What's nice about these nipple chucks is you can do whatever length nipple you want, from thread to thread till 3 or 4 inches, depending on how long the carriage is. So it makes it nice. Not all companies allow you to do thread to thread nipples. And there you go. It's just that simple, and all you have to do is pull it off and you're ready to go. This allows you never to have another scrap piece of pipe. You can always make your own nipples.